Our very own Sydney Smiles and Edgar Obare walitupostia a video of a content creator from Czech Republic who decided to make it rain. And a lot of you were asking yourselves or were asking, mbona Kenyan content creators hawafanyi hivi? But before we even go there, let's talk about this content creator first. He goes by the name Kazma and he is one of the most popular content creators in Czech Republic. And this is because of a show that he has been doing for a number of years that goes by the name One Man Show. Now kwa hii one man show yake, what he does is he pulls up stunts, audacious stunts. In fact, there was a time he decided to prank the whole republic with a fake Justin Bieber. Yeah, the whole republic. And so this time he decided to take things to a higher level. Akaanzisha a competition and the grand prize was to be $1 million. Now the challenge was to crack the code, the vault where he had stored the money, that is to crack the password. And he was given clues kwa hii show yake One Man Show, but unfortunately no one was able to crack the code, no one was able to get the password, so eventually he had to make a decision. And the decision was to make it rain. So he sent the location to the registered participants, akawatumia location, and that is where he went and dropped the money. So hapo sasa ilikuwa wewe na mikono zako. The much money you can grab, that is the money that you would go with back home. So watu wenye walikuwa wanasema mbona content creators wa Kenya wasifanye hivi, let us all understand that hakui drop to anywhere, and it wasn't just anyone picking this money. It was those who had registered for the competition, so it was meant for those particular people. But I personally love this type of content because ni content interesting, exciting. I feel like Kenyan content creators should upgrade to such content. But then honestly kuna challenges. I mean, we have KRA, we have the government. Seriously, we do have to at least understand our very own Kenyan content creators. But I feel like our cloud chasers should learn from this, because uki pull up stunt kahi in Kenya, by the way, unajulikana, hata utahitaji ku cloud chase tena. Everyone in Kenya will be knowing your name. So to all the cloud chasers out there who love to do petty things, boring cloud chasing stuff, this is the way.